morning children, welcome to video class. Children, now I am going to explain you about the lesson 4, the magic bird. Lesson 4, the magic bird, children. See children, here two kingdoms are there in this lesson. What is the first kingdom? Shangri-La. Shangri-La. What is the kingdom name, children? Shangri-La. Shangri-La is ruled by Rishiras. King name is Shangri-La, the kingdom name, and Rishiras. Here the king ruled Rishiras. Then next kingdom, Dongrila. Dongrila is ruled by Jagadguru. See children, these two kingdoms are near at the foot of the one kingdom is one side, another kingdom is another side. These are the foot of the Nilgiri hills. Where children? Nilgiri hills. See children, if the Nilgiri hills is this, one side is Shangri-La kingdom and the other side is Dongrila kingdom. They are at the foot means edge, foot of the Nilgiri hills, children. This side Shangri-La and the other side is Dongrila. Now, children, these you remind. One kingdom is Shangri-La and it is ruled by Rishiras, and another kingdom is Dongrila and it is ruled by Jagadguru. Because if we remind these, all the lesson is this about these kingdoms, children, about the kings and the kingdoms, how they are. See children, this is Nilgiri hills. One in Shangri-La, children, Shangri-La is ruled by Rishiras. Shangri-La is ruled by, this kingdom is very peace and harmony is prevailing in that kingdom. Peace and harmony. In Shangri-La kingdom, every time peace and harmony, because everyone believed that why this peace and harmony is because of the cuckoo, the kokila, the cuckoo bird. Who everyone believed in the country by this bird, kokila, the cuckoo bird, the kingdom is peace and harmony, and all the people in the kingdom are happy. Whereas in Dongrila, the other side, Nilgiri hills, other side, Dongrila, why all people are quarreling. Every time they used to quarrel because Jagadguru is an ill-tempered and selfish king. Every time in the Dongrila kingdom, all used to quarrel. Whereas in Shangri-La, people are very happy because the king is kind-hearted. Rishiras is a kind-hearted person and Jagadguru is an ill-tempered and selfish king. One day what happened? Jagadguru went the kingdom of, one day Jagadguru on passing by, one day Jagadguru was passing through Shangri-La and he was greatly surprised and impressed how the kingdom is very peace. How the kingdom, because the king is a very kind-hearted person. So the kingdom also is in peace. Peace is prevailing in the kingdom. So Jagadguru was, he was passing in the kingdom, in Shangri-La kingdom. He saw everyone are very happy. How? After reaching his kingdom, which kingdom, children? Dongrila. After he reaching Jagadguru, he called the prime minister. Prime minister of Dongrila. He called the prime minister and asked him how Shangri-La is in peace. How Shangri-La is peace is prevailing in that kingdom. Then prime minister told, he said, go and go and search why. What is the cause? What is the cause? How peace is prevailing in that kingdom? How people are very happy? He ordered his prime minister, go and find out the cause. Then prime minister went to Shangri-La. Prime minister went to Shangri-La, and 1 week, full week, he interviewed the people. All he roamed full kingdom, nook and corner of the kingdom. He roamed, and he asked he interviewed many people. Why the kingdom is very peace and harmony? How it is? What is the cause? Then the people said, the bird is the cause. The kokila, the cuckoo bird is. He find out. People also told the bird is there in the kingdom, so we are so happy. Then the prime minister returned to Dongrila and he told the king, who? Jagadguru. Prime minister came to the kingdom and told Jagadguru that peace is prevailing because of the cuckoo bird. Because of the cuckoo bird is the cause. Then he ordered the prime minister, we will declare a war and we will capture the bird. Let us declare a war with Shangri-La and we will capture the bird and we will bring it. Then in our kingdom also the peace and harmony will prevail. Then Prime Minister told, don't do that. Jagadguru, don't do that, because Shangri-La army is more powerful than our army. Who, children? Shangri-La army is more powerful than our army. Why? Shangri-La army is more powerful than our army. Then Jagadguru told what to do, how to do. Then Prime Minister suggested, he told, Rishiraj is a kind-hearted person. Rishiraj is a kind-hearted person. You go and ask him nicely. Go and ask him nicely, he will give you. Then next day, with lot of gifts, what he took, children? This Jagadguru took lot of gifts and went to the Shangri-La kingdom. Went to Shangri-La kingdom, and by seeing this Jagadguru, Rishiraj was most happy because the king has come to meet him. Jagadguru has come to meet him, and the king was so happy and he invited him and he asked him. Then Jagadguru told, I have come to you for in a need. I have come to you in a need. Then Rishiraj told, Shangri-La kingdom king told, whatever you ask, I'll promise you, I'll give you. Whatever you ask, I promise you, I will give you. Then next, Jagadguru asked for the bird. Jagadguru asked for the bird. I want this kokila, cuckoo bird. I want this bird. I'll put in my kingdom. I want this bird. Then Rishiraj promised, as he promised, he gave the kokila, the cuckoo bird, and also 5 trusted men. 5 trusted men of 5 trusted men. His 5 trusted men he gave to the Jagadguru. He gave Kokila, the cuckoo bird, this Kokila, and 5 trusted men to safeguard this bird in the Dongrila kingdom. He gave and he sent. After coming to Dongrila, this Kokila cuckoo bird, where he put, children, the Jagadguru put in a golden case. In golden case, and these 5 trusted men in dungeons. Dungeons means underground cell. Underground cell or jail. Kokila, the cuckoo bird, and these 5 trusted men he brought to Dongrila. Who, children? Jagadguru brought to Dongrila, and he put this Kokila Kukku bird in golden case. Kokila Kukku bird in golden case, and these 5 trusted men of Rishiras he put in the dungeons, means jail, underground jail. Children, those are having textbook, just go through the lesson. Next part of the lesson I will tell you in the next video class. Thank you.